Welcome to this data analytics with SQL Server series. In today's video, we will dive into an important in customer analytics, customer segmentation and customer lifetime value (CLV). These concepts are critical for business as they provide insight into which customers are driving the most revenue and help in plan marketing efforts for effectively. We will be working with AdventureWorks 2019 database to calculate the customer lifetime value based on key metrics such as average order value, AVO, purchase frequency, and customer lifespan. Finally, we will segment the customer into non-profitable, profitable, and very profitable groups, as shown in the in final code. Customer segmentation allow business to target specific groups of customers with tailored marketing strategies. And focus effort on retaining high-value customers, ensuring profitability in long term. Okay, here we go. Okay, and we work with these tables in for this scenario. First, sales.customer here. This table contains information about customers, and each customer is uniquely identified by a customer ID. Customer ID. It's essential for storing customer related details, but in the context of this query, we are primarily focusing on the customer ID to join with the sale data. Customer ID, a unique identifier for each customer. There might be other columns like a first name, last name, email, or phone. But these are not used this query for now, since we are only concerned with the purchase behavior. And this table used to identify customer making purchases. We pull out the customer ID from here and use it to link with the sales data in sales order header table. Okay, and second table is sales order header. This table contains information about sales orders. Each order is represented by a sales order ID, and it's linked to the customer who placed the order via customer ID. Key columns are sales order ID here. A unique identifier for each sale order, and customer ID. Customer ID, the foreign key linking each sale to customer in the sales.customer table. And next is total view. The total amount the customer owes for that particular order. This column is crucial for calculating total sales and average order value, AOV, and the order date column, the date when the order was placed, which is important for calculating customer lifespan, the number of days since the customer's first purchase. And this table is where we extract data about customer transaction, the total sales, the sum of all orders placed by a customer, for use purchase frequency, the count of the how many orders each customer has placed, and used for average order value, AOV, the average amount spent for order by a customer, and days since first forecast, the difference between the first forecast date and the current date, which is used to calculate the customer's lifespan. Okay, and now we back to code. Okay, and first step is preparing customer sales data. I select the sales customer table. Extracting the customer ID from the sales customer table. Okay, and I need a join with sales order header to get the sales details. Okay, counting the total number of purchase each customer. Okay, and next column. Now calculating the total sales value for each customer. And next column is the calculating the average amount spent per order by each customer. It stands for AOV. Okay, and finally calculating the calculating number of days since the customer's first purchase means customer lifespan. And after joining the sales order header to get the sales details, now grouping by customer ID to get the sales statistics for each customer. Okay, you can see the result set based on above code. And I put this query in a CTE. Okay, and now I start second step, calculating customer lifetime value, CLV. First column, selecting the customer ID for output. Next, purchase frequency, select the previous calculated purchase frequency from CTE. And selecting the total sales amount for each customer. Selecting average order value for each customer. Days since first purchase, calculating the customer lifetime value CLV using the formula and select the AVO based on this formula. Average multiply. And now execute. Okay, you can see the result. The formula use CLV, average order value, multiply purchase frequency, multiply life span in years. Lifespan is calculated as a days since first purchase divided by 365 to get years, and this formula estimates how much revenue the customer will generate during their lifetime. Okay, and finally, third step. Third step is customer segmentation. Okay, and its final result. Now for profitable customers, CLV is smaller than 1,000. Here, customer whose total contribution CLV to the business is less than 1,000. This threshold indicates that this customer likely do not generate enough revenue to cover the cost of acquiring them or servicing them. The value of 1,000 was chosen based on typical customer acquisition cost and low purchasing patterns. And next is profitable. These customers have a moderate level of the engagement and spending, contributing between 1,000 and 5,000 in total sales over their lifetime. The range of 1,000 to 5,000 represent a profitable segment where the customer's value exceeds their acquisition cost, but they are not yet considered to high value. And finally, high very profitable customers, bigger than 5,000. These customers are the most valuable to the business, having contributed over 5,000 in lifetime revenue. A threshold of the 5,000 is typically chosen for high value customers who regularly purchase, have high order values, and are critical to the long-term profitability of company. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.